How to get promo code after creating Trading212 account. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's talk about promo codes. Now, promo codes are codes that you could enter in our use promo code section over here in our Trade212 that would give us some free stocks, a certain amount of price. Now, if you want to have or to be able to get promo codes so that after you create your account, you could simply have or use the promo code, you could look through different sources in the internet right now. There's a lot of different available options. For example, we have this website over here that gives us a free promo code over here worth up to 100 euro over here, as you can see, which is something you have to enter within the first 10 days. Now, sources of promo codes vary depending on different creators or different people. But if you want to be able to also get free shares by yourself without entering any other promo code, there should be an option above our manage funds over here. Upon verifying your account, of course, you would need to verify your account. As of now, my account is not yet verified. There would be an option called get free shares, which you will be able to then use to just invite friends or give or have a referral link that you will be able to share to people, and you will be able to get some shares or some stocks similarly to how you would be able to get some stocks when you use promo codes. But that's basically how you will be able to get promo codes. You could either look through the internet of people's promo codes available out there, or you could use the available promo code that I showed you just now. But that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.